Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can chat with your friends on Roblox mobile app. For that, just open your Roblox app if you have already installed, or if you have not installed this app. First of all, go to Play Store or App Store and install this Roblox app. Or if your app is not updated, just update your app first. After updating or installing your app, just open your app. When you open it, here at the bottom, you can see there are different options, but there is an option called party. Just simply click on this option. Now, when you click on this option, here at the top, you can see there is a plus icon. Click on this plus icon. When you click on it, here you will find the list of your friends. In order to chat, just simply click on friend name if already listed and start chat with your friends. But if your friend is not listed here, at the top you can see the option called search. Click on search option, type the username of your friends. When you find your friends, click on your friend's username and you can chat with your friends. So this is the way how you can chat with your friends on Roblox mobile app.